Welcome to Fixit Design, your ultimate source for smart interior tips and trending home ideas. Today, we're diving into the top 10 outdated kitchen trends you should avoid in 2025. If you're planning a kitchen renovation, remodeling, or even a small refresh, this video is a must-watch. Let's help you save money, time, and style regrets. So let's begin with the first trend that needs to go. 1. All-white kitchens. The era has ended. White-on-white kitchens were once the holy grail of modern design. White cabinets, white backsplash, white countertops. It felt clean and timeless. But in 2025, this trend is feeling clinical. Why it's outdated? Lacks personality. Shows stains and dirt easily. Feels too sterile and cold. What's in instead? Warm neutrals, muted greens, deep blues, and textured wood tones. People are craving coziness and contrast now. Quick tip: you can still keep a light kitchen. Just layer whites with soft beige, matte black accents, or warm timber cabinetry. 2. Open shelving. Pretty but impractical. We get it. Open shelves look amazing in Instagram shots. But here's the truth. Unless you're a professional organizer with dust-proof dishes, open shelving is high maintenance. Why it's fading? It gathers dust and grease fast. Requires constant styling to look good. Reduces essential storage space. 2025 solution: fluted glass cabinets, reeded textures, or partial open cabinets with concealed storage. A balance of beauty and practicality is the new mantra. 3. Matte black everything. Overdone and overbearing. Matte black had its moment. From faucets to hardware and lighting, it was the edgy choice that screamed modern. But by 2025, it's becoming too expected and a bit too dark. Why it's going out of style? Shows fingerprints and water stains easily. Can overpower small kitchens. Feels heavy without balance. What's replacing it? Brushed bronze, aged brass, and ink. These warmer metals add richness without being too trendy. Pro tip: if you still love black, use it sparingly. Think black lighting fixtures or handles, not the entire kitchen suite. 4. Overly minimalist kitchens. Where's the soul? Minimalism once promised clean lines and visual peace. But too much of it, you end up with a space that feels cold and uninviting. Why it's no longer preferred? Feels empty and lacks character. Doesn't reflect personal style. Often sacrifices function for form. In 2025, it's about layered minimalism. Still clean, but more organic. Try this instead. Mix natural textures like linen curtains or oak panels. Add statement tiles or an artisan backsplash. Display functional decor like wooden bowls, herbs, or pottery. Let your kitchen tell your story. 5. All stainless steel everything, cold and commercial. For years, stainless steel was the go-to for appliances, sinks, even backsplashes. It symbolized sleek and modern. But now, it feels more like a restaurant than a home. Why it's fading? Feels cold and industrial. Scratches and fingerprints easily. Doesn't blend well with modern home styles. What's trending in 2025? Integrated appliances, panel-ready fridges, and colored ranges. Think soft beige appliances, custom cabinet facades, or even pastel ovens for a pop of personality. Your kitchen should feel like a part of your home, not a chef's warehouse. Avoid these trends in 2025. Still with us? We've just scratched the surface. Now, let's get into the next 5 outdated trends in part 2. Stay tuned. But first, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip from Fixit Design. These trends had their time, but in 2025, kitchen design is evolving. It's moving toward warmth, texture, functionality, and above all, personality. If you're planning your kitchen upgrade this year, avoid these outdated choices and make space for something timeless, fresh, and livable. Let's keep going with more outdated kitchen trends you should absolutely avoid in 2025. We've already moved past the overly white kitchens and open shelves, but now let's talk about some of the more specific elements that may be quietly ruining your kitchen's potential. 6. Busy or overly patterned backsplashes. The chaos must go. Remember when Moroccan tiles and bold geometric backsplashes were all the rage? They looked artistic and gave kitchens a distinct identity. But now, many designers are stepping away from these busy designs. Why this trend is fading? Makes the kitchen feel visually cluttered, hard to coordinate with other materials, tends to date quickly. In 2025, the move is towards subtle elegance. What to use instead? Large format slabs in marble, quartz, or porcelain. Minimal grout lines. Tone-on-tone tiles in neutral shades. This creates a seamless, calming background that lets your cabinetry, lighting, or hardware shine instead. Pro tip: if you still want some texture, try zellage tiles or handcrafted tiles in soft earth tones. They're imperfect yet timeless. 7. Over-engineered smart kitchens. Not every gadget is smart. Technology has transformed kitchens, but sometimes it's too much. From smart fridges with touch screens to voice-controlled faucets, many homeowners rush to add the latest tech, but often it complicates simple tasks. Why this trend is cooling off? Most smart features go unused. Adds unnecessary cost. Repairs and updates can be frustrating. In 2025, the focus is on practical innovation. Choose instead soft close drawers and pullouts, hidden charging stations, energy-efficient appliances with real value. Smart should mean helpful, not headache-inducing. 8. Overly matchy-matchy design. Break the rules. There was a time when kitchens had a strict design code. Matching cabinet hardware, matching faucet, matching pendant lights, all in the same color, same finish, same shape. But this match everything mentality now feels robotic. Why this is out? Looks staged rather than lived in. Lacks depth and dimension. Misses the opportunity for character. What works now? Mixed metals. Brass handles with matte black faucets. Copper lights with stainless appliances. As long as there's a unifying tone or undertone, mixing adds personality and makes your kitchen feel curated. Design tip: mixing doesn't mean chaos, just don't match everything. Let your space feel natural and evolving. 9. Oversized kitchen islands. Bigger isn't always better. Kitchen islands have been the star of open-concept kitchens for years. But now, the trend of massive, oversized islands is beginning to shrink. Here's why. They dominate the space and reduce flow. Hard to clean and maintain. Can make the kitchen feel too bulky. 2025's approach: smarter islands. Think multifunctional designs with hidden storage, built-in seating, or even dual-level counters. Smaller kitchens benefit from compact islands or rolling islands that offer flexibility without taking over the room. Pro tip: don't force a big island into a small space. It will only create frustration. Prioritize flow, especially around major work zones. 10. Open concept kitchens without boundaries. Time to define spaces. We've loved open concept kitchens for the past decade. They promote togetherness and better entertaining. But in 2025, we're rethinking them, especially kitchens that have zero boundaries. Here's the problem. No visual separation leads to sensory overload. Cooking smells spread everywhere. No space to hide kitchen mess when guests arrive. What's the new direction? Zoned openness. The kitchen can still flow into the living area, but with visual or functional boundaries. Try this. Use an archway or slided divider. Introduce changes in flooring or ceiling material. Add a glass or metal frame partition to define the kitchen area. This gives the kitchen a purposeful feel, not just an extension of the living room. So far, we've explored 10 kitchen trends that are ready for retirement. But before you jump into planning, let's take a quick moment to reflect. Design isn't just about following trends. It's about creating a space that works for you. Your kitchen should feel warm, functional, and timeless, not like a Pinterest board from 5 years ago. And with that, we've covered all 10 outdated trends to leave behind in 2025. But we're not done yet. In the final section, we'll help you reimagine your kitchen the right way, with upcoming design directions, material choices, and timeless upgrades you'll never regret. Because avoiding bad trends is only step one. Knowing what to choose instead is the real key. Now that we've let go of outdated kitchen trends, the question becomes, what should we focus on instead? Because knowing what not to do is just the beginning. The real transformation begins when you start building a space that's both timeless and trend-forward. So let's wrap up this video by looking at smart alternatives and design directions that will define the kitchens of 2025 and beyond. 1. Embrace organic materials. If there's one big shift we're seeing, it's toward natural warmth. Out. Synthetic laminates, plastic finishes, and glossy surfaces. In. Honest materials that connect your space with nature. Try these textures and finishes. Real wood cabinetry, especially oak, walnut, or birch. Butcher block or natural stone countertops. Textured backsplash tiles. Handmade ceramic accessories. These materials don't just look beautiful, they age gracefully and add character over time. Why it works. Natural materials add depth, warmth, and that inviting, lived-in feeling you just can't fake. 2. Dual-tone cabinetry. One color across all cabinetry is fading fast. In 2025, kitchens are going two-tone, and it's not just about color, but contrast. Ideas to try. White upper cabinets with navy blue or forest green lowers. Wooden base cabinets paired with creamy wall units. Contrasting islands that anchor the space. This approach breaks the monotony and adds visual structure, especially helpful in open layouts. Design tip. Always keep one tone neutral and let the other add mood or character. Too many bold tones can feel overwhelming. 3. Statement lighting that isn't just functional. Forget the tiny spotlights or basic hanging bulbs. In 2025, kitchen lighting is about form, function, and drama. Think oversized pendant lights over the island, sculptural fixtures in matte brass or bronze, layered lighting, ambient, task, and accent. Lighting sets the tone for the entire space. Don't let it be an afterthought. And remember, warm light over cool light. It softens the kitchen and enhances both food and skin tones. Great for hosting or family time. 4. Integrated and seamless appliances. Appliances used to be bold features, but in 2025, the goal is sleek integration. Instead of big stainless steel appliances sticking out, more homeowners are choosing panel-ready models that blend into cabinetry. Try this. Built-in fridges and dishwashers with cabinet facades. Sleek induction cooktops with flush finishes. Hidden microwaves inside drawers or pantry walls. Why it matters? This approach declutters the visual space and gives the kitchen a seamless, high-end feel. It's less about showing off appliances and more about showcasing design flow. 5. Kitchens designed for living. Today's kitchens are not just about cooking, they're the heart of the home. And in 2025, we're seeing kitchens designed to support life, not just function. Here's how that looks. Cozy banquette seating near the window. Open shelves for cookbooks and plants. A small desk area for bills, homework, or work from home moments. Built-in pet feeding zones or hidden storage nooks. The idea: your kitchen should feel like it belongs to you, not a showroom. Design it around your family's needs, your habits, and the way you love to live. So what have we learned today? Avoiding outdated kitchen trends isn't about being trendy. It's about making better, lasting choices that serve your lifestyle, your personality, and your space. From saying goodbye to sterile all-white designs and impractical smart features, to embracing natural materials, layered lighting, and custom storage. This is the future of kitchens: warm, personal, intelligent, and beautiful. Final design advice: timeless over trendy. As we wrap up, here's one final golden rule. Don't design your kitchen based on what's trending today. Design it based on what you'll still love 5 years from now. Trends come and go, but the feeling your kitchen gives you every day, that lasts. So whether you're planning a full remodel or just updating a few elements, make choices that reflect you, not a Pinterest board. Before we go, quick recap of what to avoid. Outdated trends in 2025. All white kitchens. Open shelving. Matte black overload. Over minimalism. All stainless steel. Busy backsplash patterns. Over-engineered smart tech. Matchy-matchy finishes. Oversized islands. Open layouts without visual boundaries. And smart upgrades to try instead. Warm, natural materials. Two-tone cabinetry. Subtle textures and calming palettes. Seamless appliances. Thoughtful lighting. Zone open layouts. Kitchens built around real life. Thanks for watching today's video. If this inspired your next kitchen project, give us a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Fixit Design for more expert design advice. And if you're in Dubai or UAE and need help designing your dream kitchen, reach out to us at fixitdesign.ae. We'd love to bring your vision to life. Until next time, happy designing, and say goodbye to bad trends for good.